Hi everyone, welcome to Go Classes. In this session, we have All India Rank 6 in GATE DA 2026. Abraham. Abraham was Go Classes complete course enrolled student for GATE DA preparation. We are very happy and proud of him. So, Abraham, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, Abraham, please introduce yourself.
My name is Abraham Varghese. I am from Kerala. I finished my BTech from NIT Calicut in Computer Science and Engineering in 2025. After my BTech, I was not placed in any company. So don't think that I just took a drop for the last year and prepared for GATE. It was just that I was forced to prepare for GATE because I wasn't getting any job. Actually, in my BTech, I was not at all interested to join for an MTech program again. I was just interested to get a job. So what I'm saying is that it was just my situations that got me to prepare for this GATE 2026. Previous year also, I wrote the GATE CS because I was not aware about the GATE exam itself. Actually, I wrote only GATE CS paper. So I didn't write the DA paper. And I just got 28 marks in GATE CS 2025, and my rank was 28,000. So actually, I did everything except studying in my college days. That's the reason. It is not just that I don't have the capacity to study, but just somehow I just didn't study in my BTech days. So if you compare with me, just even with a non-circuit branch student, his knowledge and mine will be same in the CS fundamentals. So that's why when I prepared for GATE 2026, I just got into GATE DA just because I just hate my CS syllabus. That's how I just got into my DA preparation.
Abraham, I really relate to it because during my BTech also, I did everything except studying. And what you are saying, you are saying very honestly, very openly. And definitely, many students, they will feel motivation and they will feel, inspiration from your journey. So you are basically saying that you were forced to prepare for GATE because you were not getting any job from I can say campus. Okay, what made you believe that you will be getting a top rank in the GATE exam when you started the GATE preparation? Like, did you have certain kind of belief, or did you just have a doubt that okay, I will be able to do it, maybe I will not be able to do it? Did you have lack of confidence, or were you full of confidence that okay, I did not study in BTech, but now I will study and I will top it? So what mentality you had just before starting the GATE preparation?
So actually, I didn't have any thought. Like I just put my head in many things. Like I just went for bank exams, SSC government exam, and my brother. It was my brother. He actually studied in IAC for his BSc and MSc. He actually studied in IAC. Asked me to prepare for GATE. And also he said to prepare for DA itself. Like he knows I am little interested in ML. So if I am not interested in CS, just prepare for GATE. The syllabus is also less. So that's the time when I prepared for GATE. I have no resources to where to look, where to study like that. In I was first time I thought I should do a self study, like no other resources, no other coachings. So I downloaded some artificial intelligence standard textbook and tried to study using that textbooks. So actually, I understood that it is not going to be a good idea because for completing at least 10 pages, it is taking long hours. I am not understanding anything. I am not covering even the basics. I didn't know I should understand linear algebra, probability for taking these artificial intelligence courses. So it was after searching in the YouTube, I saw a video of Anjali Chauhan, ma'am, who scored Air 13 IAC. So she shared certain strategies to work on prepare for GATE. So at last she told that there is she told all the free resources like every student can access. So at last she told there is a free AAMTs All India mock test after finish your syllabus, you can access the free AMTs of Go classes. So that's how I just looked the Gate Overflow website the first time I am looking that, and then gradually I just saw the Go classes website. Then I saw the linear algebra course for free. Then I saw the after I watched the linear algebra course within 1 month. That's just I that's when I understood. So this is the course I should take, because if I take this, I won't regret. That's for sure, because it's a perfect tool for Gate DA. So before that, you asked whether I have confidence or not, or confidence. In my case, when whatever I do, I don't think negatively. I just think that during my entire preparation for the last 6 months, I just started my preparation in August. So each and every day, I am thinking that I'm going to be the All India rank one. Like, that was my thinking. I am not even getting the top 50 in the starting, or even at the last also. So even at the last moment, I am thinking that I am going to be the All India rank one. That's how the mentality should be, even if you are not getting. So at last, if you work hard, if your mentality is right, God will be with you, and somehow you will get it.
That's really interesting statement you mentioned, that you said that in my case, whatever I do, there is no negative thinking. So this is really incredible. And you also said that even though you are not getting in top 15 in the mock test, then also you have in your mind that okay, I will be all India rank 1 in the gate D exam. Ultimately you became all India rank 6. That itself is, incredible. But the mindset is incredible. Half the battle is won by the mindset, I can say. By self belief, by self confidence, by removing the negative thoughts, just focusing on positivity, and also focusing on your hard work, believing in your hard work. So these things, I can say, they do 50% of the work. The remaining 50% is, going through the syllabus, learning the concepts, understanding the concepts, doing the test series, okay, improving with every test, so like that. So I hope all the future aspirants who are watching this session, this is really incredible session, to be honest. This type of interview, or I can say this type of student, usually you will rarely you will find, okay, with full of confidence, but still you can see, when he started the gate preparation, his motivation was basically, lack of job. That was the motivation, but now the entire mindset has changed. Now he is genuinely interested in pursuing the MTech masters in the field of, I think, machine learning and data science. So thank you so much, Abraham, for sharing your complete preparation journey. We are really incredibly happy and proud of you.